Chapter 15.5 Creating a cascading style sheet. It is very easy to create a cascading style sheet in your text editor. The structure of a .css file has a few very simple rules. Style sheets do not have tags in them as they are not a markup language. Each style has a name which is called a selector. The selector is followed by curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets go to the property for the style, followed by a colon and the properties value. Open a copy of the web page that you saved in task 15C. Create a new style sheet called serif.css. Just open it, file, save as serif.css. Now you must open and you must put the generic setting in the style sheet to a different generic font style. So it will be like this: H1, H2, H3, H4, comma. After each one we must put a comma, then H5, comma, H6. Then we must also put for the paragraph, so P. Then we must open the brackets. Then we must write font dash family 2 points, and we must put, for example, serif. It depends on what we want. But we mustn't forget the point of changing the link to serif. Here is style 1, so we change it to serif. It will become something like this. If you want to see if it is working, we can open. You can change the font family to, for example, Algerian. Save, then open, and it will become something like this. Now we can open the copy of this web page and edit the style sheet so that we can set the H1 to 36 point high, H2 to 24, H3 to 18, H4 to 16, H5 to 14, H6 to 12, and the paragraph also to 12. So here we must open this one, then we must leave a space, then H1 font size 36 pt, then we must close. For us not to keep on writing, we can just copy and paste it as many times as we need. So we need until the H6 and P, so we're going to paste 6 more. Now we must only change here H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and P. H1 is 36 pt, H2 is 24, H3 is 18, H5 is 16, H6 is 14, H5 is 14, H6 is 12, and the P we can change it to either 12 or 10. It's about us 12, we can put it 12. Now we save the work, verify if it's linked with the cascading. It is, so we just open it and it will come something like this. Now we are going to try another type of font size. We're going to open it, we're going to edit the H1. We're going to the paragraph style 16 points high, 16. The H1 we're going to put 3 EM. H2 we're going to put as 2 EM. H3 we're going to put at 1.5 EM. H6, H4, H3 is 1.5 EM, H4 is 3 EX, H5 is 2 EX, H6 is 1.5 EX. Now we're going to save the work, close, and we're going to see how it is. It will come something like this. Now we are going to open it again in the serif, and we're going to change H1 to XX large, H2 to X large, H3 to large, H4 is medium, H5 is small, H6 is extra small, and the paragraph style is extra small. Extra small. So we just come here, we change it to XX large. The next one we change to X large. Then we change it to large. The next one we change it to medium. After medium, we're going to change it to small. Then the H6 is extra small, X small, and finally the paragraph we're going to put XX small. So H1 is XX large, H2 is X large, H3 is large, H4 is medium, H5 is small, H6 is X small, and P is XX small. Now we're going to save and open it, and it will come something like this. Now we're going to create a new folder to work with another thing. We're going to copy task 15B, add new new title to aligning text. In style H1, change the word second to read third. So here we must set the heading style H1 to be center aligned, set the H2 to be right aligned, set the style P to be left aligned, place a horizontal line below the aligning text. So as we see, it appears something like this, and now we're going to open it, open a new one, cascading. We must save it as how we want, so we're going to save as test 15H. We go to open, save as, to save as cascading style sheet. Save. So we don't need this anymore. We have to link the style sheet, so we have to write the code link. Then we must close it. We must change the title to aligning text. Here we must change the word to third. So we're going to add the age one. Must put the BR. The title as aligning text. To close, we must always put this bar to close. And below it, you have to put the AJAR for the line. Now we can save the work, close, and it will appear. We still have to do the cascading because we still didn't do the cascading, so it's not appearing it right. We have to do the age 1 to texts align center, close it, then open again. We must write age 2, open again, text align, we must put right, close it, then age 3, text align left. Now we can save it. As we open, it will appear something like this. Enhancing text within a style sheet. You're going to use some similar techniques to those used for task 15b. This time the enhancements will apply to whole style or class of style as you will see later in this chapter. Each of the enhancements uses a different property setting. The default value for all three enhancements is normal. Create a new style sheet called my style 1. You must open it, save as cascading style sheet, close. This time we must open the web page called webpage2.html. So it's this one. I'm going to open it. Something like this. And in the style sheet we will put the h1 to a bold, italic 18 point font. If Times New Roman is available browser, we'll use that, otherwise it will choose Times, but if this is not available, any other serif font will be used. Make this text center align. So we're going to see if the style sheet is linked. My style one is linked. So we're going to open. We're going to put h1 open brackets font family open dashes Times New Roman comma or Times or even serif. So we want to put another one, so we're going to close like this. We're going to put font size as it was asked, so it is font size 18 pt. We must never forget to close. Then we must put the text align to center, close it. Then the font weight to bold, the font style to italic. Now we're going to close. We have to save it. We're going to open it to see how it will appear. It will appear something like this. So now we will create a new style sheet called my style. Open the style sheet called class 1.css and add a new class within this style sheet that changes the default style to be right aligned and blue. Open the web page called webpage4.html and apply this class to each line of text that starts with the word this. So we must copy the class 1 and the web page 4.html. You must open it, and we only want the age 1 to be so we must open it, and in age 1 we have to add we have to add so we must add right to everyone. We put right, then we must put the color blue, and the text align right. You must add it to all of them. Save. Open the web page, and we must add this and this and this and this. These things are called class, so we can add it and organize it in the web page. So at the end it will be something like this.